Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake more fluffy and soft. Full guide. Start by using cake flour and weighing ingredients to ensure accuracy. Sift dry ingredients twice and separate eggs when the recipe calls for it. Whip whites to soft peaks and fold gently to keep air trapped. Avoid overmixing the batter, and preheat your oven so rising begins immediately when the cake goes in. Use the right mixing method to build and keep structure while staying tender. Cream butter and sugar until pale, then add eggs one at a time. Alternate adding dry and wet ingredients at low speed and stop as soon as combined. When incorporating whipped egg whites, fold with a spatula using gentle circular motions from bottom to top to preserve air and avoid deflating the batter. Oven control makes or breaks a fluffy cake, so bake at the recipe temperature and resist opening the door until near the end. Use an oven thermometer to confirm true heat and rotate pans only if your oven bakes unevenly. Once baked, cool cakes on a rack and remove them from pans while slightly warm to prevent trapped steam from making the crumb dense and soggy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.